my channel again. Welcome back to my channel again. We are playing Train Sim, and I am being joined with Blake's Phone Tray Videos. Say hi.
Hi guys.
And I'll put the link to his channel.
Whatever you want.
I'm on Desert.
Oh, I'm on.
Oh, I just like. That's me. That's your horn. This is my horn. What I like to do if there's a crossing up ahead, I like to warn the customers to stop. There are lots of things to choose from. Your CP0 G38. Oh, CSX engine. Nice horn! Yeah, I know that. But some of the cars are with GDXR poles.
Yeah, your thing is kind of glitchy. Your game is glitchy.
Yeah. I don't know.
That's how my game is going.
Nice and smooth.
Yes, look. Look, try moving around. Look at me.
You got nice.
Mine got the sleep.
To replace the express cars.
Emergency stop.
Emergency stop at the station.
Hey, are you recording even with the microphone?
Yeah.
Oh crap, I shouldn't even talk anyway.
That's okay. At least that you're in the video.
Yes.
Michael?
Yeah.
That's okay.
I'm gonna go
At least-
reverse.
Reverse? Okay. I'm just dropping off some passengers.
Me too. Watch this.
You guys can't see because he's playing on a different device. But
I'm on an Android 648.
I'm on a Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. So I'll just be parked.
Oh wait! I'm with you.
Desert with me?
Yeah.
Nice!
-1.
You can't see me because I'm on
Wait, I might see on
Well, your AC's 44?
AC4400CW.
CSX
What?
engine.
Yes, what I call it is. Oh my god, look, it's 3D.
Nice! 360.
It's a Mobile Strike ad.
Oh, Mobile Strike ad.
Oh my god.
I didn't get any ads when I got it.
Look,
I didn't get it.
this.
I didn't really get an ad.
Oh no, I'm watching. Go forward. Sorry about that, guys. I think I got distracted by an ad.
Yeah. But now we're together on the same map, and
What side are you on? Are you on this?
I'm on like
You're going this direction?
I
I might crash into you. Wait, if I turn my phone around, I'm going that direction. That means I'm gonna crash head on with you. I'm gonna crash head on with you.
What?
You're going 60 miles an hour. I'm going full speed 120.
I can go to 150 on any train.
174 kilometers an hour with this thing.
You can go. You can go 120 kilometers.
Kilometers an hour. Look. When you press this, you pull up the thing.
Yeah. If you press Amtrak P42 or speed, you see there. That's what it means. What are you going on to? What are you going on? You going on P42 like I am?
Yeah. Oh, this first person. Listen to the noise. Or if I tap it, listen. And then it gets quieter when I get in.
Yeah. If you guys can hear the difference, I'll show you.
Well, you ever see that card?
Yeah, the Xperia Express cards. Yeah, those. You can change the cars if you want. It's so cool that we're both ringing the bell at the same time. If I would have had face cam, then they would have saw you, but I don't at the moment.
Look at I'm just pressing it and pressing it and pressing it and pressing it. Okay, it stopped now. Okay, I'm departing. When you depart, you have to do this.
Like ring the bell. When I arrive and depart, I have to ring the bell.
Yeah.
But yeah, Veros do that as well. They do that too. Go Transit and Veros. Yeah. I saw Veros coming to stations on YouTube as well, and they do that as well.
So this is where we're not going to be. Come down. But this is.
We are just going to move. Station. Okay.
But just don't go
Oh wait. Oh, for some reason my recording.
Are you the one that got us this month?
Yeah.
At our house?
I got it tied.
You have one of these, don't you? Well, I know it's tight, but it's in.
Oh, hon, we won't do that.
Yeah, no,
because
no.
This is that's fine. It's just that this is very old paper, and so I won't mark it up.
So
Did he just write on it?
It's okay.
So we're not going to touch it. I know this stuff looks like toys, but it's not toys.
we just have to move and like
Wait, what map are you going on?
desert.
Desert.
For some reason
I'm
my-
still stuck here. My engine broke down. Are you still recording? Are you still screen recording?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so they can hear me.
They can still hear you. But
God
but there's
damn
only
it.
but there's only a couple minutes left in the video because because I haven't verified my account yet.
Oh.
Well,
Yeah.
well, I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. Make sure to subscribe to Blake's Go Train videos. I'll put the link in the description, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to both of us, and but I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Yes.
And I'm stuck here idling while my P42 engine is getting fixed. So see you soon.
Bye bye, guys. See you in the next time.